If you're not ready to get real about what it's going to take to make money, then keep scrolling. I'm going to share 2 tips that are going to help you earn $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month in the next 3 months. Hi, my name is Leslie. I'm a business coach, and I use these exact same tips to make over $100,000 in the last 3 months. If you're brand new to the business game, then you can check out my 25 tips on how to get your business started. All right, so let's dive in. Tip number 1 is you have to be so intentional, focused. This means you set your environment up to be congruent with the income that you want to make. One of the first things I coach my clients on is look at the conversations that are around you. Did you know that your income typically will average the 5 people's income that you hang out with the most? Probably scared some of you. This doesn't mean that in order to make money, you have to have rich friends, but what it does mean is you have to start curating the conversations around you to be a match for wealth. Because believe it or not, wealthy people who earn money, they think differently. So if you don't have wealthy friends or access to people like that, the thing that you want to do is start listening to podcasts and reading books from people who have done what it is that you want to do. One of the best things that you can do is look at the last 20 text messages that you sent. Who are these people? What kind of money conversations do they have? Now, I'm not saying ditch them. I'm just saying limit the amount of conversations that pull for lower income, lower earning potential, and start exposing yourself to books, podcasts, if you can, people who are earning the kind of money that you want to make. Okay, so here's tip number 2. You want to invest in yourself, time and money. So set aside time for your growth and development. Stop binging Netflix and start binging books. As soon as you can, pull your finances together and work with a coach. They will show you what is missing. It is a way to fast track your success. Now, there's always going to be somebody who comments me and says, well, what if you don't have any money? Okay, earning money and flipping the switch isn't about having resources. It's about getting resourceful. So when I filed for bankruptcy, I did every little tiny hustle and thing that I could to earn money. That included selling things on eBay. That included swallowing my pride and helping people do things and getting paid by the hour just to have enough money to put and invest in my next thing that was going to teach me something. That meant less money on drinking, less money on clothes, less money on eating out. And I funneled all that money into myself so I could grow and develop my own skills and expertise. There's only so much I can cover with you in 3 minutes. So if you want to learn more about exactly how to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, follow for more. I will start breaking it down a little bit more. And please, no comments about what if you don't have any money, because if you want it bad enough, you'll get resourceful. You just gotta want it.